Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Kaggle Learn rewards to PayPal. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Kaggle website. Log in to your Kaggle account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Click on the profile icon to access your account settings. In the drop-down menu, select Account to open your account details. Scroll down to find the section labeled Kaggle Learn Rewards. Here, you will see your accumulated rewards displayed. Next, look for the option that allows you to withdraw these rewards. Click on the withdrawal option to initiate the process. You will be prompted to select a payment method. Choose PayPal as your preferred payment option. If it's your first time withdrawing, you will need to link your PayPal account. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your PayPal account securely. Once linked, enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your rewards. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Click on the confirmation button to process your withdrawal. After a few moments, you should receive a confirmation message. Check your email for a transaction notification from Kaggle. Finally, log into your PayPal account to verify the arrival of your funds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.